What a great day of entire Uh-oh. Today is going to rain. Evan. Wake up. Today is going to rain. Oh my god. He's not listening.
A few moments later.
Before hiding at home.
It's raining outside, which means it's going to rain strong.